Shri Gurubhyo Namah Hari Om. Om Satchidananda-rupaya Krishnaya Klishtakarine Namo Vedanta-vedyaya Gurave Buddhisakshine. Next shloka, the sixth shloka. Anādinidhanaṃ viṣṇuṃ. Anādinidhanaṃ viṣṇuṃ. Anādinidhanaṃ viṣṇuṃ. Sarvalokamaheśvaram. 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 Anādinidhanaṃ viṣṇuṃ. Sarvalokamaheśvaram. Anādinidhanaṃ viṣṇuṃ. Sarvalokamaheśvaram. Lokādhyakṣaṃ stuvannityaṃ. Lokādhyakṣaṃ stuvannityaṃ. Lokādhyakṣaṃ stuvannityaṃ. Sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet. Sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet. Sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet. Duḥkhātigo bhavet. Lokādhyakṣaṃ stuvannityaṃ. Sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet. Lokādhyakṣaṃ stuvannityaṃ. Sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet. Anādinidhanaṃ viṣṇuṃ. Sarvalokamaheśvaram. Lokādhyakṣaṃ stuvannityaṃ. Sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet. Again. Anādinidhanaṃ viṣṇuṃ. Sarvalokamaheśvaram. Lokādhyakṣaṃ stuvannityaṃ. Sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet. Anādinidhanaṃ, one who does not have beginning and end, the beginningless and endless. viṣṇuṃ, the one who is all pervading, omnipresent. Sarvalokamaheśvaram, one who is the Lord of all the creation. Lokādhyakṣaṃ, one who is the overseer, perceiver of the world, the creation. Stuvannityaṃ, worshipping him, praising him, singing his glory. Sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet, one crosses over this ocean of samsara, the sorrow. Okay. Now, bhāṣya. Tritiyam prashnam pariharati tribhihi uttaraihi padaihi. Tritiyam prashnam pariharati. The third question he is resolving. He is resolving the third question. Tribhihi uttaraihi padaihi. With the following three padas, quarters. One shloka has 4 quarters. The first 3 quarters are going to talk about is going to be the answer for the third question. But the fourth quarter, that's the result. Sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet, he cross over the ocean of samsara. Okay. Now, third question. What is the third question? We are seeing the answer for the third question. But what is the question? Stuvannityaṃ. Stuti. Stutyam. Who is that one who needs to be sung about? Whose glory we need to sing about? Okay. Now, anādinidhanaṃ. Beautiful word. Anādinidhanaṃ. Anādinidhanaṃ shadbhavikara shunyam. Anādinidhanaṃ. That is how we have to break it. That adi means beginning. Adi, anadi, without beginning. Nidhanam means end, death. Nidhanam, anidhanam, deathless. That which is not beginningless and which is deathless, which is birthless and deathless. By saying birthless and deathless, the in between other transformations also are accepted. So that is why he says shadbhavikara shunyam, which does not have the 6 different kinds of transformations. We'll see that later. Okay. viṣṇuṃ. viṣṇuṃ means viṣulru vyapto dhatu. From the root word viṣulru vyapto, that which is omnipresent. Vyapakam vyattamitam tatam. Yena vyattamitam tatam. The Purusha Sukta says, Yena vyattam idam tatam. All this is vyaptam. Vyaptam means vyaptam, is pervaded by him. Sarvasya. Loka. Loka is a beautiful word. Earlier we said lokyate aneneti, through which you see. It became pramana. Now he says lokyate iti loka. That which you see, perceive is loka. Means drishyavarga. All that which you perceive, the world of perception. Whatever you perceive, all objects of the world is called as a loka. Okay. So sarvasya lokasya, sarvasya drishyavargasya. All that which is perceived. Tasya niyantranam brahmadinam, one who is the ruler of all this, one who controls all this, who is the Brahma, etc. Ishwaratvat. He is a Lord for them. Therefore, he is a sarvalokamaheśvaram. One who is the Lord of all the Lords is a sarvalokamaheśvaram, Deva Deva. Similar meaning, sarvalokamaheśvaram. Okay. Lokam. Again, lokādhyakṣaṃ. Lokam means a drishyate aneniti, drishyavarga. Okay. Drishyate iti. So whatever you see, drishyavarga, the group, whatever you see. Swabhavikena bodhi. Adhyaksha means the ruler. Actually, here adhyaksha means the perceiver. Swabhavikena bodhina sakshat pashyati iti. Adhyakshati pashyati iti. One who perceives. Means how does he see? Natural, inherent nature is a satyam, jnanam, anantam, brahma, sat, chit, anandam. Chit, jnana is its inherent nature. Chit, jnana is knowledge. Bodha. So, swabhavikena bodhena, if its inherent nature of knowledge, sakshat pashyati. It sees it directly, not indirectly. Immediate knowledge, immediate perception there is. That is why he is not shouting, hey, you do, you, why are you standing there? Go and do it. No. Dhishasmad vataf pavate. Just by standing there, just by looking at these things, not even saying anything, just by staying there, vataf pavate visa. Everyone is afraid. Nityam. Nityam means nirantaram. See here, lokādhyakṣaṃ is the word. That's first case. So we need to change it to second case because that is the most desired, right? So lokādhyakṣaṃ, tam lokādhyakṣaṃ. Nityam. Nityam means nirantaram, eternal. Stuvan, always stuvan, singing his praise, the greatness, his glory. Sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet trayanam sadharanam phalavachanam. Sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet is a common, sadharan means general, common, and a result for all the three shlokas. Okay. Now, what is sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet? Sarvani adhyatmikani dukkhani. Sarva dukkha means sarvani dukkhani. Sarvani means what is sarva? All. All means adhyatmika, adhibhautika, adhidevika. Adhyatmika, adi atmani sharire bhava iti adhyatmika. Meaning that which exists in the problems, that which is the pain which exists in the body. Means the headache, the fever, whatever problems, all the troubles are called as adhyatmika dukkha. Okay. Adhyatmika tapa. And that which arises because of the bhutas, the elements, which is the scorpion, the snake, the tiger, lion, etc. All these animals, elements, all these elements, different elements, that which is elementals. Okay. That is adi bhautika. Bhutanam bhava iti bhautika. Okay. So then adi devika. Devika means that which is the creation of God. The pain, the troubles created by the planets, etc. Like the cloud burst which happens regularly nowadays now in the Himalayan ranges. So those kind of problems. Heavy rain, heavy cold, etc. Dukkhani, all these sorrows. That is why we say shanti, 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 to get rid of all the three kinds of troubles, pains. Atitya gacchati iti atigaha. Ga, when you add a ga to a word, then it gacchati iti gaha. Nya, if you add to a word, then janati iti gyaha, one who knows it. Then ja, if you add ja, jayate iti jaha, born. Okay, so here ga, so atitya gacchati iti atigaha bhavet means atitya gacchati, he crosses over, he goes beyond that, all these sorrows. One who crosses beyond all these sorrows is sarvaduḥkhātigo bhavet. When you worship this, you cross over all the sorrows. Bhavet syat, he he becomes. Okay, no, he will, he is, he crosses. Now, the in-depth meaning for this bhashya, insights to it. Anādinidhanaṃ. See, third question we already saw. Third question is a stuti vishaya question. The question regarding the stuti, which is stutiya. Okay. Now, anādinidhanaṃ, a beautiful word. Anādinidhanaṃ. We broke it like that. Okay. So, if you take, that's a compound word. If you break it like anādinidhanaṃ, two words. Anadi, beginningless. Nidhanam, that's a beautiful word. Nidhanam means substratum, abode. What is the, see, the word Nidhanam is used for, to say, people, somebody died. Oh, he in Hindi they say, he attained Nidhana. Nidhan ho gaya. He died. Okay. Nidhan. Instead of Nidhan, the other words which we use is, he gained Amaratva. Deathlessness. Okay. Or, beautiful word is a Swarga Prapti or Shivaloka Prapti or Vaikuntha Prapti. Gaining, he has gained Shivaloka, he has gained Vaikuntha, or he has gained Swarga, heaven. Okay. So, now Swarga, Vaikuntha, Shivaloka, all these are abodes. Okay. And this ultimate abode is a Brahman, substratum, which is beginningless. When you say beginningless, it does not have an end also. That is also as well said. So, Nidhanam, that which is substratum and that which is beginningless, that Brahman. If you take it as a one compound word, Anadi Nidhanam, that which does not have a beginning and that which does not have end, therefore, it does not have the in-between transmissions also, meaning all the six kind of transmissions. What is that? In the text of Yaska, called Nirukta, it is said, Jayate, Asti, Bardhate, Diparinamate, Apakshiyate, Vinashyati. Okay. Jayate, it is born. Asti, it exists. Bardhate, it grows. Diparinamate, it transforms. Apakshiyate, it declines, it decays. And Vinashyati, it gets destroyed. Okay, so all these six are negated in the Vishnu. Vishnu means a viṣṇuṃ vyāpakam, one who is all pervading, omnipresent. Sarvasya lokasya iti. Now, sarvalokamaheśvaram. Loka, this word was interpreted as a lokyate aneneti. With this interpretation, we said the pramanas, the 14 different sources of knowledge. We saw that. Now here, lokyata iti lokaha, not lokyata aneneti. Lokyata iti, that which you perceive, means drishyavarga, all these objects which you see. Okay, lokaha. Tasya sarvasya lokasya. For that loka, nyantrunam, one who is the nyanta, one who is the ruler. For those rulers, which rulers are you talking about? Brahmadinam, the Brahmaji, etc. All these rulers, for them, Ishwaratva. He is the Ishwara, he is the Lord. Therefore, sarvalokamaheśvaram. We saw this. Okay. Now, here, Maheshwaram you said. Why is he Maheshwara? Maha is the prefix which you add to glorify something, great something. So the important word is not the Maha. The important word is that which follows, which is the adjectified. Okay, Maha is just an adjective. Okay, so what is that which follows? Ishwaram. How is he greater? Because he is the one who is omnipresent, etc. And he is the one who is the ruler of everyone. Therefore, he is greater. So, lokādhyakṣaṃ, adhyakshati pashyati iti adhyaksha. One who sees, perceives. Therefore, he is adhyaksha. He just sees. His existence is seeing. Okay. So, lokādhyakṣaṃ and trayanam sadharam phalavacham. Trayana means for all the three. All the three means japa, archana, stuti. For all the three, this is a common result. So, lokādhyakṣaṃ gacchati. Okay. Now, next, 7th shloka. Brahmaṇyaṃ sarvadharmajñaṃ. Brahmaṇyaṃ sarvadharmajñaṃ. Brahmaṇyaṃ sarvadharmajñaṃ. Lokānāṃ kīrtivardhanam. Lokānāṃ kīrtivardhanam. Lokānāṃ kīrtivardhanam. Brahmaṇyaṃ sarvadharmajñaṃ. Lokānāṃ kīrtivardhanam. Brahmaṇyaṃ sarvadharmajñaṃ. Lokānāṃ kīrtivardhanam. Then lokanāthaṃ mahadbhūtaṃ. Lokānāthaṃ mahadbhūtaṃ. Lokānāthaṃ mahadbhūtaṃ. sarvabhūtabhavodbhavam. 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 Lokānāthaṃ mahadbhūtaṃ. Sarvabhūtabhavodbhavam. Lokānāthaṃ mahadbhūtaṃ. Sarvabhūtabhavodbhavam. Brahmaṇyaṃ sarvadharmajñaṃ. Lokānāṃ kīrtivardhanam. Lokānāthaṃ mahadbhūtaṃ. Sarvabhūtabhavodbhavam. Again. Brahmaṇyaṃ sarvadharmajñaṃ. Lokānāṃ kīrtivardhanam. Lokānāthaṃ mahadbhūtaṃ. Sarvabhūtabhavodbhavam. Bhashya. What is this for? Sixth question answered. Fourth question answered. Third question also answered. What is this for? What is the answer for which question? This is an answer for. Punarapi tameva stutyam viṣṇuṃ. He said, no, this is the same answer. Punarapi, again, tameva, the same, stutyam, whatever we need to sing glory of, that viṣṇuṃ is explained in detail. Vishesha viṣṇuṃ. It is explained in detail. Okay? Brahmaṇyaṃ. What does Brahmaṇyaṃ means? Brahmaṇyaṃ means Brahmane hitam is Brahmaṇyaṃ. Brahmane hitam, that which is a well-being. Hitam means well-being. For the well-being of a Brahman. What is Brahmane? Brahman. What is Brahman? For the Brahman. What is that for the Brahman? Brahman means Srashte, the creator. Brahmanaya, the Brahmins. Tapase, the people of penance. Shrutaye, the Vedas. That which is for the well-being of these is called as a Brahmane hitam, Brahmaṇyaṃ. Okay? Sarvadharmajñaṃ. Sarvan dharman janatiti. Janatiti jñah. We already saw. Sarvadharma. Sarvan dharman janatiti sarvadharmajñaṃ. One who understands all the dharmas. One who knows all the dharmas in detail, in depth. Tam. Sarvadharmajñaṃ is a first case. We need to transform it into second case. Tam sarvadharmajñaṃ. Tam, when you say, it means sarvadharmajñaṃ. Okay? Lokānāṃ. Sarvadharmajñaṃ. He is sarvadharmajñaṃ to him. When you say to him, it becomes second case. Okay? Lokānāṃ. Lokanāthaṃ. Right? Loka means praninam, all the jivas. Drishyavarga, all the jivas. See, earlier he said Drishyavarga. Here he says all the beings. Here we should not understand by the word all the beings, only the living beings. Like earlier we said Jangama. Jangama means the animate. That also refers to the inanimate. Here also we have to understand by animate. Pranina means the animates. Like with which you have to also take the inanimates. For all the beings. For all the beings. That is for everything that exists here. Okay? How can you understand that? Says kirtaya yashamsi. Kirti means fame, name and fame. So taha swashakti anupraveshena. That name and fame by himself entering into it, by letting his power enter into it. By letting his power enter into it. tat srishtva tadeva anupravishite. It created and it itself entered. One of its greatness is manifesting in each one of us. Okay, so with that vardhyati, it makes it the name and fame grow in that very whichever form it entered. See, we see the great people. Oh, some with great money, some with great knowledge, some with great power, physical power, etc. Okay, now that which we see. At the same time, we also sing the greatness of the rivers like Gangaji, Kaveri, Yamuna, etc. And mountains like Himalayas, etc. So they also gain the greatness because the Ishvara enters there in that form and gives it greatness. So prani is not just the being; it is for all the things existence in existence. Okay. So varjati tam lokaihi natyate lokanātha lokaihi natyate iti lokanātha. Natyate means natha. The word is used in the sense of yachyate. Lokaihi yachyate. That to which the whole world prays to. Yachyate, to pray, to ask for, or to beg. Okay. Lokan utpatapati. Lokan upatapati. That which troubles the world. Troubles the world means punishes all the bad people. Ashaste, lokaihi ashaste. That which is desired by. Asha means desire. Desired by the world. People of the world. Lokānāṃ ishte. That which is a desire. That which rules the world. Ishta, eat iti ishta. It means that which rules. Okay. So that which rules. Lokan yachyate. Lokan upatapati. Lokānāṃ ishte. One which troubles the world and one which is rules the world. Lokaihi yachyate, lokaihi ashaste. That which is praised by the world, or that which is asked by the world, requested by the world, prayed to by the world. Okay. Now, tam lokanāthaṃ, to that lokanātha, to whom we pray, we request, we ask, we love, we one who rules the world, etc. Okay. Mahadbhūtaṃ. Mahadbhūtaṃ means, mahad means what? Mahad Brahma. Mahat here is not the collective intellect. Normally, mahat is a word used for collective intellect. Here, mahat means Brahman. Bruhatvat, Brahmatvat, Brahman. That which is the greatest. Okay. Vishvotkarshena vartamanatvat. Why? Because Vishvotkarshena vartamanatvat. This is greater than Atyatishta Dashangulam. It is a 10 inches greater than whatever the creation is. So, Vishvotkarshena vartamanatvat, since it exists in the great glory in the world, with the great glory in the world, bhūtam, mahadbhūtam. Bhūtam means paramartha satyam. Bhu sattayam is the root word. Paramartha satyam, the ultimate truth, the absolute truth. That which is not undergo any change, any transformation, all the 3 periods of time is satyam. That is what is paramartha satyam. Okay, so that is what is bhūtam. Bhu sattayam, exist, to exist. That is the root word. Sarvabhūtabhavodbhavam. Sarvabhūtabhavodbhavam means sarvabhūtānaṃ, for all the beings. Bhavaha means samsara. And yat sakāshat udbhavati tam, from whom the samsara emerges, manifests, comes into existence. Tam is he, to him. That person is called as sarvabhūtabhavodbhavam. Okay. Now, the in-depth meaning. The word brahmaṇyaṃ is from brahmane hitam. Okay, there is a kalayava, there is a sutra called kalayava, with which the yat pratyaya comes for in the sense of hitam, in the sense of well-being. Hitam means well-being. So in the sense of hitam, well-being, the yat pratyaya, the yat suffix comes into existence. So brahma plus yat, brahmaṇyaṃ, the transformations changes and comes into existence, and the brahmaṇyaṃ. Okay. Now, there is a dictionary, not the normal kind of dictionary. This is a dictionary called Amara Kosha, written by Amara Singh, a great king called Amar Singh. He composed it in metrical form, where he gives all the synonyms at one place. That is the kind of dictionary it is. It is not the normal kind of dictionary. It is where the synonyms are. So for the word Brahman, he says, Vedastattam Dapo Brahma, Brahma Vipar Prajapatihi. What are the words Brahman? The word Brahman is used in Vedaha, Vedas, Tattvam, truth, Tapaha, penance, Brahma, the absolute, Brahma, the creator, Vipra, the Brahmin, Prajapati, again the creator. So that is why Brahma and Prajapati are synonyms. They are same creator. So Srashte, he said Srashte. Okay. Then Vipra and Brahma, they are same. So Brahmanaya. And Tapas, Tapaha, Tapase. And Shrutaye, Vedaha. Brahma, Veda, Janatiti, Brahmanaha. One who knows the Vedas is Brahmin. That is how the word Brahmin is also interpreted. That is what Vipra is also about. Okay. So, but how does it bring in well-being for these things? For the Brahmin, for this? How is that possible? To explain each one of them, we will see the examples from the Upanishads and all that. We'll see this. Om Purnamadaః Purnamidam Purnāt Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.